The guidance right now is to keep your party at your family nucleus, immediate family, and really try to use other ways to celebrate the holidays through Zooms or other venues. And if you were to gather, wearing a mask and limiting the group is so important.
I moved here to Rochester 3 years ago from Nashville. We have a very small family, and really my only close relative is my sister. After we lived here for a year, she actually moved to Rochester to be near us. And this will be the first year that we aren't together in the same kitchen, around the same table for Thanksgiving. But we talked about this and feel like, we really need to be careful, be safe, and our distance doesn't distance our relationship. It doesn't change the love we have for each other. We're going to get on Zoom and we're going to talk. She's going to have her meal that she's preparing. We're going to have ours, and we're going to have a quiet holiday, being thankful for the light at the end of the tunnel to this pandemic, and being thankful for each other. We've been in this together, and now we're going to pull through this together.
I'm Canadian, so I already celebrated Canadian Thanksgiving, so I've had practice with this. So it's a gift of being a Canadian in the United States. I get to celebrate this twice. So I've had a little bit of practice. So our family, what we've done is we've tried to maintain our same traditions just with our own family. And given that we've got a number of family and friends, down here in the States, and ordinarily we would travel around. We really would, and visit some of our family in Wisconsin. But this year we have all agreed not to do this. So what we're planning on doing is celebrating ourselves, but then spending time and making sure that during the day that we have those virtual get-togethers as well.
And normally when we would have Thanksgiving, we would probably have more than 20 people together, and an important event for our family. This year we're not doing it. We're going to have just our immediate family, those that we know have been very careful together, and then we're going to be careful when we're together. We're going to have my two sons test before they come home, just so we have that added layer of security in terms of that risk.
Please, I know the Thanksgiving holiday and the Christmas holidays and all sorts of holidays are coming up, and I'm just hopeful that everybody can stay safe, and if you can, please do that virtually, and the visiting virtually as best you can. It's not ideal, but I think it'll help us get back to normalcy as soon as possible.